Welcome to my channel, Life of a Jeany. Today I'll show you how to make a spicy pickled beans. These beans, the green beans that I got, is from my garden. So next step, I'm gonna show you how to cut it fastly. So we're just gonna line this up all together like that, and we have this measuring bean in here. So alright, so just like that. Put your hands on the side there and cut there, and then the other end there. So they are all done at once, and let's put it in here. It's now ready. Let's put it in our jar. So we'll put it in a water bath for 30 minutes under 180 to 185 Fahrenheit. So after the water bath, 30 minutes, just cool it down, and you can put it in the fridge as well. That's a sticker, that's right. So guys, this is from my garden, pickled green beans, so I'm really excited about it. You can keep in the fridge for 24 hours and you can enjoy your green beans. If you have extra green beans from the garden or from the store, you can pickle it. So it's really like looking forward to try this pickled beans that I made. It's my first time. And also add sugar that, you know, neutralize the acidic, and it's up to you guys if you're sugar free or you want a little bit of flavor or sweetness on it, so you can add sugar. So, and then yeah, that's about it, how to pickle the green beans. And thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time for my next video. Maybe I will do a beets pickled next time. So see you next time. Bye, guys.